Modern applications generate thousands of logs and performance metrics every second. Transforming this data into meaningful insights is essential for maintaining reliable, high-performing systems. Monitoring distributed applications across multiple environments can be complex. Without centralized log analytics and real-time dashboards, identifying issues and maintaining system performance becomes difficult and time-consuming. To address these challenges, Blackhopper developed an advanced log analytics and monitoring solution using Python and Datadog, enabling organizations to gain real-time visibility into application performance and operational health. The platform collects logs and metrics from multiple systems, processes and enriches the data using Python, and visualizes key performance indicators through custom Datadog dashboards. Automated monitoring and alerts help teams identify and resolve issues quickly. Key features include advanced log analytics, custom Datadog dashboards, Python-based data processing, real-time performance monitoring, intelligent alerts and notifications, scalable observability platform. The solution improves operational visibility, accelerates incident response, reduces downtime, and enables teams to proactively monitor and optimize application performance.